I have to tell you, I'm super excited to be here at NFBA, National Frame Builders Association, and we've partnered with Burrows on barndominium floor plan catalog, and it's super exciting. Look at this, guys. Look how awesome this is. This sketchbook has plans that start at just under 500 square feet and go over to 5,000 square feet. Lots of really good ideas, lots of inspiration, really some barndos with some flair and some style. One of the great things about this particular sketchbook is we can help your clients visualize what their product is going to look like. We can look at the windows, we can see it in 3D. Building a home is very expensive, right? So we want to make sure that you get it as the builder, you get it right, and us as the designer that we get it right, so that the client is happy, and then they go out and tell all their friends and family, you need your designs by Stacee Lynn and you need your project done by Burrows for the supply. This has been a great collaboration with Burrows. We really enjoyed this, and we're hoping that we're bringing something that's really unique to the market, that we're taking great barndominium designs, pairing it with a fabulous supplier who can help barndo builders build better barndos.